All right, now let's look at two easy ways to search for classes in Schedule Builder. If you just want to explore what classes are available in the fall, you can use filters to find them. So let's start with this Add/Search for Classes button. Now here you'll see a few basic filters for classes. I also want you to open up Show Advanced Options. So the first most basic one is maybe a subject that you have in mind. Let's say you're a psychology major and you want to take some psych classes. So I can type psych, or you can scroll through and select that one. The next one I want to show you is course level. So as a transfer student, you may have already completed all of your lower division classes that are required for your major. In that case, you would be looking for upper division classes to be taking. So you'll want to filter out for only upper division psychology classes. Now the 100 through 199 range is the definition of upper division, so you'll select that. Of course, there's lots of other filters you can use, but for now, I just want to show you those two. Let's click search. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see this is all of the upper division psychology classes that are being offered in fall quarter. One thing to keep in mind here is that some of these classes you'll be eligible to register for just with the classes that you took at community college. Others you might need to take other prerequisites, upper division prerequisites here at Davis in order to be eligible. So you'll want to pay attention to that. You can find any details that you need about each class under Show Details or Show Important Details. And you'll see the prerequisites are always listed here if there are any, and then any alerts, and we'll go over what these alerts mean in a future video. For now, I just want to save an example of a class. And now I'll show you the second way. So let's say there's a specific class that I'm interested in taking. For me, I'm interested in the Science and Technology Studies department here at UC Davis. So I want to see if they have their intro class available. So I can go to the search bar. I can type in the course code, which is STS, and then 1. I just know I found that in the catalog and I'm interested in taking it. Let's click search. So you'll see that that class actually has a time conflict with the other class that I already selected. So I'll need to make a decision about which one I'm interested in taking. But I can add a different one. So let's say STS 12, Epidemics in Society. That sounds cool. I'll save that one too.